In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a map in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to make your presentations more engaging with professional data-driven maps, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, you'll need to insert a map. Head over to the Insert tab, click on Chart, and from the list of options, select Map. PowerPoint will automatically open an Excel sheet where you can enter your data. Just type in the region or country names along with their corresponding values, then close the Excel window. Your map will instantly update inside PowerPoint. Once your map is placed, click on it to select it. You'll notice a green plus sign on the right side. This is your gateway to adding or removing elements. You can toggle on things like the chart title, data labels, or a legend. If you want more control over data labels, click the small arrow next to them. This lets you choose whether to display country names, numerical values, or even both. Now, let's talk about customization. Double-click the map to open the Format Data Series pane. Here, under Series Options, you can adjust the color scheme, apply gradients, or even choose to display only regions with data. Helpful if you don't want extra countries cluttering your slide. If you'd like to emphasize specific areas, you can go even further. Click directly on a country or region and then use the Shape Fill tool to assign it a unique color. This is perfect for highlighting key regions in your presentation. And finally, for labels and positioning, click the green plus sign again to add data labels, then simply drag the map by its border to move it anywhere on your slide. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to insert, edit, and customize maps in PowerPoint, giving your presentations a polished and professional edge. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to try these tips out in your next project and take your slides to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.